Pick the points, hold Ctrl Shift to select multi-points. Combo move. In Rhino, you don't have to soft selection. The polysurface in Rhino acts the similar effects. Just for the mesh, both software acts the same. How about other shapes? For a circle, I draw a circle. Planar surface. Extrude it. Using mesh split, click the cylinder. Now you can see an error. Mesh disappear. This is a very common error when Boolean mesh. Now we undo and try one more time. It says mesh has features that require a cleanup step. Consider running mesh repair. Mesh face has a collapsed edge. This is usually an indication that mesh repair should be run on the mesh. Now we type mesh repair. Click check mesh. This is a bad mesh. Mesh has 10 pairs of faces that intersect each other, cause the problems when doing mesh Boolean operation with it. Also had 671 naked edges. Click repair mesh. It shows edges analysis here. Click next. Now it's 28 naked edges. Now we can close this and try split the mesh one more time. And now it's successfully split into two pieces. Continue with similar step at the box building, and now we have a perfect circular hole. I will gather sponge area into one layer and name it. Change the color to green. For SubD, beside the basic geometry, to design a freestyle organic shape, the best way to do it is using SubD. To make it depth, drag the gumball dot down. You can also type the depth you want. The blue gumball arrow is up, so if you want to move down, remember to have a minus in front. To cut mesh in this case, select the sponge area, the border, drag gumball dot down to extrude the boundary curve. Then you mesh split as normal. Clean up mesh and locate the point on right place. Now we can do similar to other places by using SubD.